wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best magic kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Prex-Tex Kiddie allows aspiring illusionists to dress for the job they want with a black cape, white gloves and top hat. An hour-long DVD provides basic instructions and helpful tips that give young ones the skills they need to get started. It comes with a stuffed rabbit and can double as a Halloween costume. However, it only teaches 8 tricks. At number 9, suitable for little ones as young as 4 years old, the Learn and Climb Starter is designed with beginners in mind. The included DVD walks kids through techniques that don't require complex sleight of hand, so they can impress their friends in no time. It helps to develop problem-solving skills and includes a compartmentalized storage tray, but this one is too basic for older children. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Scientific Explorer Magic Science takes your youngsters' love of fantasy and uses it to teach them about chemical reactions. It's equipped with oils, powders, scoops, and test tubes for conducting 9 exciting hands-on experiments. It spurs interest in STEM fields. However, note that parental supervision is required, and this one's not designed for performances. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Magic Kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Magic Maker's Ultimate Card demonstrates more than 170 illusions that can be done with a standard deck of cards. Magician and comedian Simon Lovell walks you through each move in online lessons that can be unlocked with the included access code. It leads you from beginner to advanced and is great for visual learners. It includes a trick deck too. Moving up our list to number 6. With the 10-piece Melissa and Doug Abracadabra collection, youngsters can wow audiences as they make silk scarves change colors and mysteriously turn a king into a queen. It also features a rope cutter and a wand that shrinks and grows. It comes with illustrated instructions and doesn't take up much space. It's a budget-friendly choice. Halfway up our list at number 5. The award-winning Criss Angel Ultimate comes from the mind freak himself, with more than 550 tricks taught through a booklet and a helpful DVD. These include a jaw-dropping levitation technique that can be achieved without any props. It includes 3 decks of cards and easy-to-understand tutorials. This one's good for ages 8 to 108. At number 4, if you're looking to upgrade from plastic, Marvin's Magic Treasured is worth considering. The case and its contents are made of wood, making them both sturdy and aesthetically pleasing. It's a good choice for collectors and fans, as well as practicing magicians. It comes with a mind-reading trick and illustrated instructions. It's easy enough for beginners. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, Jim Stott's Ultimate Money Magic can help you perform on the go, as it teaches a number of illusions that can be done with something that's always on hand, coins and bills. The techniques are simple, but when executed well, they can impress audiences of all ages. This is a good choice for professionals, and video tutorials are available online. It comes with high-quality props. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Magic Kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, as with all of their offerings, the makers of the fun and colourful Melissa and Doug Deluxe set designed it with youngsters in mind. It's a great choice for beginners to help get their feet wet, and comes with easy-to-master classics like a disappearing ball and a vanishing coin. It's tested to be both safe and durable, and it all stores neatly in the included wooden box. It can help develop hand-eye coordination. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Ideal Spectacular Suitcase boasts the props for 100 fascinating illusions, such as dice escape, vanishing salt, multiplying balls, and more. Everything is included to help kids learn the skills they need to put together a dazzling performance. It comes with a wand and a collapsible hat, and the case doubles as a show table. It includes lessons from magician Ryan Oakes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Magic Kits, or simply click beneath this video.